Hi folks, it's Nanny here. It's Sunday here in the Ozarks and we're having a beautiful day. We've gotten some rain and boy did we need it. So we've been very busy, but we took time out today to do a very important thing, and that's to go to church on Sunday. We got to be with some of our friends at church. We got to go out to eat lunch with them. But since it's canning season, we've been very busy and we've gotten behind on our videos. So we're going to play a little catch up today. And one of the most popular videos that I have ever done is the one that features my husband. And he is going to show you how to make corn on the cob in the microwave. He did this video once and now he's going to fine tune it a little bit. So I'm going to turn it over to my husband John, whom I call Hubby, and he's going to show you just how to do it.
It's that time of the year. The corn on the cob. The fields are producing and we get to reap the benefits. We have come up or found one of the slickest methods for preparing corn on the cob. I call it no mess, no fuss. The only thing I would caution you on when you get your corn from a source that hopefully does not use pesticides, most likely you're going to have a little extra meat, possibly. So I would caution you, before you prepare your corn, to open up the end and kind of inspect it. Usually they're going to be on the very end, and that's a good sign that they haven't used pesticides. We're lucky this one doesn't have one. But if you don't get it out of there, you're going to have a little extra protein with your corn on the cob. Now, there's nothing wrong with protein, but I don't think I want to eat a worm. Now, we check for the worm. We're going to take the cob. Now, all you're going to do is take a knife, and I go about a 1/2 inch up from where you can feel the cob is, and I cut through the outer layer and through the silk and just start into the corn. And rotate it as you're cutting until you get all the way around. Okay, we now are ready for that quick method. We go into the microwave for 3 minutes for this ear. If you do 2 ears, add another minute. If you do 3, add another minute. So let's cook this and then we'll get ready to prepare it to eat. Okay, let's see how our corn has turned out. We bring it over. You probably want to use a hot pad or an oven mitt. You grab it by the stalk end. You grab the end and you start to twist it and pull it straight out. Now, I'd like to tell you it's totally hair-free, but you need to inspect. There could be a few stragglers still on the corn, but we're in pretty good shape there. That's ready for eating. Now, we take our knife, holding on to the cob end that's attached to the plant. We just very carefully cut the end off. And now I want you to look. We're ready to eat corn on the cob. No fuss, no mess. However, we need one other thing with our corn: butter. Now, first time I ever did this in my mother-in-law's house, I thought she was going to kick me out of the house. I just assumed everybody did this. I took my corn, I went over to the butter at the table and just started rolling it. Now it goes fast. And when you're spreading butter by a knife, it takes forever. That corn is ready to eat. Little salt and pepper, and you're ready to eat. Guess what? My mother-in-law, I did convert her, so she's into this now. Well, I don't have a lot more for you other than we really enjoy corn on the cob as one of our favorite vegetables. The other is add a little sliced tomato with it, and then maybe some cucumbers and onions, and man, you have got a good, cool summertime meal. Hopefully this is helpful to you. You have a great day, and share this with a friend.
Guess what? He's still eating corn. John, the video's over.
Okay.
You can stop now. John, the video's over. You can stop now. Give me a bite of that.